I'm Dr. Barb Naselrod, President and proud graduate of the Catholic High School of Baltimore. Part of Catholic High's mission statement includes that the empowerment of women can affect the transformation of our society. Everything we do, academics, extracurricular activities, in addition to leadership opportunities, prepare our young women to be empowered in life beyond high school.
Catholic High's strongest asset is its people. From our faculty and staff who are incredible professionals, who are highly skilled in their content area, they're kind, compassionate people who serve as mentors for your daughters, to our students who are incredible and talented young women.
Catholic High is unique because our community is just so vibrant and welcoming.
At Catholic High, you're supported by both the students and the teachers.
I've met so many amazing people that they've just shaped me into a much better person, and they've made me really enjoy coming here every day.
I believe that our rigorous academics set us apart from other schools.
I'm a member of the Biomed program, so I've been able to create a prosthetic, and in my health and clinical, we just casted a model today.
The STEM program has challenged me here at Catholic High through various courses as well as the different building projects we do in engineering.
In Law and Leadership, we learn about a bunch of different aspects of what it takes to be a leader, like communication skills and how to lead effectively.
We also have an academic support program here as well, and that is the Archangel program. And our Archangel program is very unique because they take a class where they learn how to study. And that is a class where you really see the light bulb go on.
The Archangel program is beneficial for me because I've learned to really be confident in my work and myself.
I like being a student athlete at Catholic High because the girls on my team are my sisters.
This was my first year being on the track team, and I made a lot of friends, and we're all just like one big group who comes together, and we all have a common goal. I would tell someone to come to Catholic High because of the great community that we have here. Everyone supports each other and everyone's super kind and welcoming.
I would tell that 8th grader, come to Catholic High because you won't find a community like this anywhere else. The people, your classmates, your teachers, the administration, they work with you and they want to see you do better inside the classroom and outside of the classroom.
This is a place for you to be a part of a community and to grow and learn as well.